So students, we were talking on money multiplier. We have already discussed about the definition of money multiplier. Please go through that. Now we'll see how does it work. The formula of money multiplier is, in short, I'll write it MM please. MM is equal to 1 upon LRR. In the previous example, suppose we had taken the value of LRR, or LRR was fixed at 20%. 20% of the initial deposit. Now we have to find out the value of MM. So we can calculate it. MM would be equal to 1 upon 20%. It means we have to simplify this 20% first. So 20% would be equal to 20 upon 100. It would be equal to 0.2. 0.2. It means the value of MMM, money multiplier, would be equal to 1 divided by 0.2 would be equal to 10 upon 2. 10 upon 2 equal to 5 times. Equal to 5. It means by finding the value of money multiplier, we can find out how many times the commercial banks can create a deposit. So in our previous example also, we could create the money 5 times only. 5 times of 1000 would be equal to rupees 5000. Okay. So money multiplier work in such a way. Here we'll discuss one more example. Suppose this is, suppose suppose you are asked to calculate total deposits. Calculate total deposits if the initial deposit is, if initial deposit is rupees 1000. Rupees 1000. And LRR is equal to 12.5%. 12.5%. 5%. So we have to find out the value of total deposits now. Okay. LRR has been given, initial deposits have been given. So first task would be to simplify this 12.5%. So MM is equal to, again, 1 upon LRR. All of you could see it from here. So MM, money multiplier, is equal to 1 upon LRR. So in such a manner, again, we'll find it out. 1 upon 12.5%. We'll simplify. 12.5% would be equal to 12.5 divided by 100. So it would be equal to 0.125. Now we'll find value of mm. So mm is equal to 1 upon LRR. LRR, now we have simplified, it would be equal to 0.125. So equal to 1 upon 0.125. So it would be equal to 1000 divided by 0.125. So it would be equal to 8. 8 now. Now question is asking the value of total deposits. And it has been given the initial deposit. Okay. So total deposit would be equal to total deposits would be equal to, as we have already discussed, money multiplier gives us the value for how many times the banks can create the money into the economy. It means if we have to find out the total deposits, it means how many times of the initial deposit. Initial deposit is equal to 1000. Okay, money multiplier has given us the value of how many times? It means 8 times. So total deposits would be equal to rupees 1000 into 8. It would be equal to rupees 8000. I hope the things are clear. Got it? Now here keep one thing, remember. The value of money multiplier is decided by LRR. Higher the value of LRR, lower is the value of money multiplier, and less money is created by the banking system. Got it? So please keep it remember. Commercial banks lend money mainly to the investors, and the rise in the investment in the economy leads to the rise in the national income through this multiplier effects. We'll discuss some more examples for the money multiplier. Suppose you are given calculate. Third example we are talking here about calculate the value of mm. Now you have to find out the value of mm. Calculate value of mm, money multiplier, and total deposits also, and total deposits created if initial deposit is of rupees 500 crores. Initial deposit of rupees 500 crores. And LRR's value is, and LRR has been given, LRR is fixed at 10%. At 10%. So first of all of you will find out the value of MM, because how many times we have to find out now? We have to find out the total deposits also. So first of all, find out the value of mm. Again, it would be equal to 1 upon LRR. It means equal to 1 upon 10%. 10%. First of all, simplify 10%. 10 upon 100. So it would be equal to 10. Okay. Just calculate each and every one. And the initial deposit has been given. In short, I'm writing this ID. Initial deposits are equal to rupees 500 crores. 500 crores. Now you can find out easily the total deposits. So total deposits would be equal to total deposits would be equal to 10 into 500 into rupees 500 crores, and it would be equal to rupees 5,000 crores. 5,000 crores in the economy. So the question can be given in any of the forms. Okay. We'll do one more example here. Some different. Fourth example. We'll just go through that. Suppose you are given total deposits. You have been given the value of total deposits. In short, I'm writing this TD. Total deposits are equal to 12,000 crores. 12,000 crores. And LRR is equal to 25%. LRR is equal to 25%. You have to calculate initial deposit. In short, I'm writing this ID. We have to calculate ID. So again, you will find out the value of MM. MM is equal to again 1 upon LRR. 1 upon LRR. It's equal to 1 upon 25%. So when we'll calculate this, it would be equal to 425 4 the 100. Okay. So it would be equal to 4. Already total deposits have been given. Okay, TD they have already given. Total deposits are equal to 12,000. So now we have to find out the initial deposits equal to 12,000. So ID would be equal to initial deposits would be equal to total deposits. Total deposits upon money multiplier. Money multiplier. So total deposits are 12,000 divided by 4. So it would be equal to rupees 3,000 crores. Rupees 3,000 crores. So students, here this topic is completed banking. Now next we'll discuss money.